Lecture 5, From Numbers to Narrative, Visualizing and Explaining Trades with Charts and AI. Welcome back, class. Up to this point, we've built a simulator that can connect to real-world data, track virtual balances, and let users simulate trades. That's already impressive. But now we move into something even more powerful, interpreting the data. Because here's a truth. Numbers alone don't teach. Charts, explanations, and pattern recognition do. And that's exactly what today's lecture is about. Let's begin with the visual side. We're going to use a Python visualization library, like Plotly, to graph our trading data. Why Plotly? Because it's interactive, browser-friendly, and integrates beautifully with our Jinja 2 plus HTMX frontend. Imagine this. The user visits their portfolio dashboard. At the top, they see a candlestick chart of Bitcoin over the last 30 days. Beneath that, a line chart of their portfolio value over time. Further down, we overlay technical indicators like moving averages to smooth out price noise, relative strength index, RSI, to detect overbought or oversold conditions, MACD, moving average convergence divergence, to spot trend shifts. These indicators are not just flashy graphs. They're tools for critical thinking. They let users ask, was I right to buy here? Should I have waited? Why did I sell too early? And now we come to the really exciting part, AI assistance. Imagine a student clicks a button that says, explain my last 3 trades. Behind the scenes, we use a tool like LangChain, combined with OpenRouter or a local language model to generate a conversational summary. You bought Ethereum at $3,100 on March 12th and sold it at $3,000 on March 15th. RSI suggested the market was overbought at the time of purchase. In the future, consider waiting for a lower entry point. That's not just feedback. That's mentorship. That's a learning loop. We can take it even further. Suppose a user asks, why did Bitcoin dip yesterday? Our assistant can check recent news, look at market volatility, and respond with something like, there was a major liquidation event on Binance and a government regulatory warning in the EU. These combine to create selling pressure. With this, your simulator is no longer just a game. It's an interactive learning platform. It teaches technical analysis, market reasoning, and the psychology of trading, all through feedback tied to user actions. Let's step back. We started this course with an idea. What if you could learn to trade without losing real money? We now have a system that lets users do exactly that and get meaningful insights every step of the way. Today's takeaway: data without interpretation is noise. But charts, indicators, and explainable AI turn noise into a story. And stories are how people learn best. In future work, you'll have the opportunity to expand this foundation, build bots, integrate real-time chat, or even simulate group competition. But for now, reflect on what you've built. Not just a simulator, but a teaching tool. And more importantly, a tool that teaches through doing. Thank you, and I'll see you in the bonus lectures or your final projects.